Do you want to add admin in WhatsApp channel? You can invite admin on WhatsApp channel with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add an admin to a WhatsApp channel. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, go to the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your status updates and channels list. Now, scroll down to find your channel and tap on it to open the channel screen. At the top right corner, tap on the three dots menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Channel Info. On the Channel Info screen, scroll down and tap on Invite Admin. A list of your WhatsApp contacts will appear. Select the person you want to make an admin of your channel. Once selected, tap on the checkmark icon to confirm. Lastly, tap on the send icon. The selected person will now be invited as an admin of your WhatsApp channel. Once accepted, admins can help manage your channel by posting updates and editing channel details.